Doors are an essential part of a home, and installing one is not as hard as you think. My name is Wayne with Mr. Handyman, and today I'm going to be taking you through a few steps to installing an interior door. You'll start by removing the lock and strike plate if they are going to be used in the new door. Next, you'll remove casings from both sides of the door and then remove the door from the rough opening. At this point, you'll want to confirm that the new door will fit into the rough opening and swings in the right direction. Next, position the new door into the opening and square it up. Secure the door jamb to the rough opening using finishing nails and shims to keep it square. Now, you'll check to make sure the door operates properly. Then, install the lock and the strike plate. Install the casings to both sides of the door and add a door stop if needed. Now, you are ready to test the door and the locking mechanism to make sure everything has been installed properly. If you need help installing an interior door or have a much larger project, please call Mr. Handyman for all your home maintenance and repair solutions.